The 8-day off-road journey from Hanoi to Da Nang felt like a vivid adventure film, where every twist, every steep slope was a challenge and a triumph. Perilous trails winding through the mountains, rushing streams, and endless white sands painted a majestic backdrop, etched deeply into our memories. We pushed through exhaustion to conquer towering peaks, and each moment standing atop the mountains, with the wind rushing by, brought an indescribable sense of freedom. The friends along the way became family. Stories shared by the campfire became reality, and the city lights of Da Nang, at the end of our journey, all came together to create an unforgettable trip, writing a radiant chapter in the diaries of our lives.
The game is in trouble, I've been in my depth for the piece of the puzzle, I got it for real. Still keep me going, I wake up and hustle, you won't see me buckle, I've been in the field. Man of the town, you been in your fields, I'm adjusting this crown. Call me your majesty, either that or your tragedy, we shutting everything down. I've been hot like somebody put a candle on them. Off top, I don't really stand opponents, this mine, the moment is run out and start a bunch of pandemonium. More game, I got some, the skill is bar one, y'all done, the game in the coffin. Referee screen, rest in peace, and think twice if you next to me, it's West. This ain't no regular thing, I came for the ring, you know what I mean. I shoot my shot and it's clean, this is my city, yeah, this is my team. If you talking, it's hard to be nice, I play with all of my life. You see my name in the lights, better get right, I'm champion. It's our repetition, I'm stacking these trophies, I'm good with addition. I spit like a pastor, I give you the vision. Up early morning, enough for the sleeping. My life is a dream, but you wishing you lived it. Haters get livid, my pocket's Pacific, that's deep if you get it. So therapeutic, I sleep on the critics. Don't feel like competing, I'm hearing these crickets. Whoa, let me switch the flow, a new bounce. Coming to the den with a lion, I'm gon' pounce. Know I've been a king for a while, got a ring and a crown. That's the bling with the blow, what the team is about. Champions, you can tell by the ambience of this sound. Referee screen, rest in peace, and think twice if you never see me, just no doubt. This ain't no regular thing, I came for the ring, you know what I mean. If you talking, it's hard to be nice, I play with all of my life. You see my name in the lights, better get right. This ain't no regular thing,